Hello everyone. If you are facing Telegram calling issues, whether calls are not connecting, not ringing, or failing completely, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Telegram calls require a stable connection. So if your call is not going through, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. Next, restart your phone and Telegram app. Close the app completely, restart your device, and then try calling again. Make sure Telegram has the necessary permissions. Go to Settings, then Apps, then tap on App Management or Manage App option. Find Telegram from the list and tap on it. Tap on Permissions and ensure microphone, phone, and contacts permissions are enabled. Without these, Telegram calls may not work. If you are still facing issues, clear Telegram's cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage App option. Find Telegram from the list and tap on it. Then Storage, then Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing call failures. Now check if call restrictions are enabled. Open Telegram, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Tap on Settings, Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Calls option and tap on it. And make sure calls are allowed for everybody or my contacts. If calls are restricted, you won't be able to receive or make them. If Telegram calls still are not working, update your app. Go to Google Play Store, search for Telegram, and install if any available updates. Lastly, if none of these work, try using a VPN. In some regions, Telegram calls might be blocked by internet providers, and a VPN can help bypass these restrictions. And that's it. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram fixes. See you in the next one.